So check this out. About many years ago, I started this can crusher video, right? Where I wanted to see how I could just smash cans as hard as possible. Because cans take up a lot of room in the shop. You know, we all know it. It's a disaster. We got to figure out what to do with them. And if you can smash them in a really manly way rather than stomping them on the ground, you know, it seemed like something I should do. So I started a can crusher video, 1 and 2. Never got around to finishing 3. And some people on the YouTube there said, "Hey, buddy, where's number 3?" And I went, "I never did number 3. So, buddy, I am doing number 3 for you guys today. And here's the can smasher. Take a look at the old dog there. Check that. What you're looking at there is some random hero air cylinder. I don't know anything about this air cylinder other than I found it on the old interweb. And then I found this foot pedal to control everything, right? So you got in and out with the air, all controlled with this foot pedal. Let me put the camera down here. I got a little tripod for it. Let me see if I can make this work. All right, bend it around there. Oh, yeah, right there. No, yeah. So when I push this, smash! And I apologize if that's really loud, because that's going to be crazy loud. So anyway, you figure this is 3.5, 4 inches in diameter. So what's going on here is that this cylinder is putting out, you know, I don't know my math here real well. You're looking, what, 800, 900 foot-pounds? No, pounds per square inch. This is 800 or 900 pounds per square inch, smashing down on little spindly aluminum cans, and they get to be looking about like this when you're done. Now, it's not the fastest of the can crushers, because I've seen a few on the old interwebs, but this is one of the more fun, in my estimation, because it is just coming down with some power, boys, just smashing the cans. And let me, let's put this up here and see what you think here. Let me set the camera up so I can kind of not lose a finger here. There we go. Okay, so we take the old can. Normally I do it two-handed, right? I'll push that one in, and then, pow! Look at that. That is just right at a 1/4 inch thick. How great is that? Let me move the camera in closer so you can really get to see here. Let me squat it on down here. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, boys. Let's put another can in here. Here we go. All right, I'm going to press the little switchy. Boom! And then when you smash one on top of another, they end up stacking like poker chips. It kind of like... It just nests them, you know? Look at that. And I have found... How fun is that, right? I mean, it's not the fastest way to smash a can, but buddy, I am here to tell you that will smash a can. So let's, I'll do 5 or 6 so you can kind of see everything in motion here, and I'll put the camera back on the table. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put the camera up here, right? All right, I'll do this kind of quickly. Okay, you boys ready? There's the cans. These are the victims. Oh, and we'll do this tall guy too, right? All right, here we go. Let me get this leveled up. All right. So here we go. Woo! Running out of air pressure, boys! Look at how flat that is. Oh, that's the best. All right, let's put this big one in here. Let's let the air compressor catch up. I'm sure it's just loud as crap in the background. So give me a second to let the air compressor catch up. All right, the air compressor caught up. It was getting a little loud in here, so I figured let the air compressor catch up so we can smash this big can. All right. So let me put you back down. I'm gonna put you right over here. There we go. Okay, now that's one of the bigger cans, right? So let's give that a smash. Bam! Oh! Look at that. Let's give it another little whack on the top there. Pow! And if you look at the difference here. These are ones I've already smashed, right? Compared to their huge counterparts. Let's crush a few more. I kind of find that it ends up being like 10 or 12 to 1, right? So if a regular can is, you know, I was going to say yogi inches high. If a regular can is yo inches high, by the time you're done squishing them down, they end up being a 1/12 of the regular size. So a regular can can take up, you know, like a 1/12, or a 12-pack is the size of a can when you smash them. So I think I got 5 cans left, so let's just mash them on down. Here we go. All right. Let's come over here. Woo! All right, let me come over here. Bam! Woo! Buddy, I'm here to tell you, you don't want to put your finger in there. Smash! Bob Smash Can. That's just violent, isn't it? I know it's shaking the camera and smashing everything, but look at look how flat these are. They're like poker chips. Isn't that cool? You figure that's 4 of them, that little stack there. So anyway, there you go. A couple of years in the making. Smashing the ever-loving tar out of the cans. And I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm glad you guys stuck it out. If you dig what you're seeing, don't forget to hit subscribe below. Give us a like if you like what we're doing over here, and thanks for watching. See you guys. Woo!